Hey gardeners! Want to grow cardamom at home from seeds? Let's dive in. First, you'll need fresh cardamom seeds. You can grab these from your local nursery or online. Make sure they're green and plump. Next, let's get those seeds ready. Soak them in warm water for 24 hours. This helps soften the seed coat and boost germination. Now it's time for planting. Fill a seed tray or small pots with a good seed starting mix. Make tiny holes about ½ inch deep and drop one seed into each hole. Cover them lightly with soil and water gently. Cardamom loves warmth and humidity. Place your trays in a warm spot like on a heat mat or near a sunny window. Keep the soil moist but not soggy. In 2 to 4 weeks, you'll see little sprouts peeking out. Once the seedlings are a few inches tall, it's time to transplant. Choose a spot with partial shade in your garden or a large pot if you're growing indoors. Ensure the soil is rich and well-draining. Give each plant enough space to spread out. Don't forget to water regularly. Cardamom plants need consistent moisture. Adding mulch around the base can help retain soil moisture and keep the roots cool. Fertilize your cardamom plants every 2 months with a balanced organic fertilizer. And be patient. Cardamom takes about 3 years to produce those aromatic pods we all love. There you have it. Growing cardamom from seeds at home is a long but rewarding journey. Enjoy the process and happy gardening. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more gardening tips. Thanks for watching.